So right now on TikTok, you can see this viral trend where people try to find their Moonphase soulmates. So basically, there is some website we'll just show right now, and then you can just enter your birth date, and then you can enter the birth date of your partner or your friend, and then basically you will see these two moon phases. And if they are kind of opposite, it means you might be a good match. So it's going viral. People literally try out this feature. I found few guides how to use it, but basically here is the website. It's called Moonphases Co UK, and here what you need to do is just, if you go in the bottom, and then you can just enter your moon calendar, and there are different moon phases. So you just enter, for example, your birth date here, and then you can see like this is this moon phase, this is this moon phase, for example. And yeah, for example, this is how it looks like, or like this one. Yeah, and then you just screenshot it, and then you just enter the same date for your friend. And then basically, yeah, like if the moon phase of your partner or girlfriend, boyfriend is kind of opposite to this moon, then you might be a good match, just according to this trend. It's not nothing guaranteed, but it's like it's like going viral. So yeah, you can just use this Moonphases Co UK app, and then you can use like a CapCut template from TikTok, and then you can just create these videos like that. It might go viral. You can see these videos 450,000 likes.